Breaking news, a flash flood surged through Barangay Masarawag in Ginobatan, Albay around 9 a.m. this Sunday, November 9th, as Super Typhoon Uwan continues to batter southern Luzon. Residents were caught off guard as heavy rainfall from Uwan triggered sudden flooding, sending strong currents rushing through the streets. Locals were seen rushing to higher ground as vehicles and debris were carried by the floodwaters. Authorities have dispatched rescue teams to the affected areas while monitoring possible lava flow from nearby Mayan volcano slopes, which pose additional danger. The LGU is urging residents to remain calm, move to designated evacuation centers, and cooperate with responders. Let's keep the people of Albay in our prayers. This is Politikan Community News. Truth with compassion, faith with action.